Hi, I'm Dhruv from Carvale. We're India's #1 car website today, and we're proud to be here in Hyderabad to be a part of the International Auto Show being held at the HICC. Carvale offers users and car enthusiasts 500,000 plus pages of content on new cars in terms of reviews, data, specifications, and car comparisons. We offer 3 key services to people today. People looking for a new car can come in and browse various cars that are available, and through these 500,000 pages of content, and they can make a decision about which car is right for them. We also have tools that help them make this decision. We have a tool called Recommend Me a Car, where people can input data and preferences. For example, that they're looking for comfort and convenience, that they will have a chauffeur-driven car and they'll be sitting in the back seat most of the time, and that safety is incredibly important for them. And on the basis of their preferences, we'll throw up a set of results of cars available in India today, and then help them decide which car is right for them. Another thing we offer new car buyers is our new car on-road price service. So we actually offer on-road prices of cars today, not just ex-showroom prices, and these are available online instantly to people. They simply can come to the website and look at a specific car and a variant and say in which city they want to buy it, and we'll throw up an actual on-road price that includes insurance charges, it includes registration, and all sorts of and all the taxes applicable as well. For used car buyers, we have the country's largest used car listing platform. More than 10 to 12,000 cars every month get listed on Carvale for sale, and these are all genuine sellers of cars coming in together on this particular platform. So you can come in and simply search for the car that you like, or look for different cars available in your city, given your budget or given other preferences that you have, and find the right used car for yourself. We also help people sell their cars through the same service. So if you're looking to sell your car, Carvale is probably the right platform for you, because it's a simple, transparent fee. It's a one-time fee. You can list your car until it gets sold. You can keep renewing it every month if you need to. And people will come, and more buyers will come and contact you, and hopefully you'll get better value for your car as well from that. We also have forums, we have communities. So if you have questions about a car that you own or about a car that you're looking to buy, you can simply post it online, and one of our other users or somebody from our team of experts will respond to you. You can also follow Carvale on Facebook and Twitter. We're also available on the mobile. We hope to see you soon on the Carvale website.